Welcome and good day to all of you. In this video session, we are going to see about the important terms in chromatography. The first one is analyte. An analyte is the specific component or compound of interest that researchers or analysts want to identify that is being separated and analyzed within a mixture. The second term is stationary phase or immobilized phase. The stationary phase is a solid material which remains fixed during the separation process, providing a surface for the mobile phase and the sample to interact with. The stationary phase may be a solid, gel, liquid which is immobilized on an inert surface. Example for stationary phases: silica gel, alumina, and other porous materials. The third term is mobile phase. The mobile phase either moves over the surface or percolates through the spaces of the stationary phase. The mobile phase may be liquid or gaseous. Example for mobile phase: ethanol, acetone, water, acetic acid, and pyridine. The fourth important term in chromatography is eluent. The fluid entering the column for separating the analyte is eluent. The eluent's properties such as its polarity significantly affect how strongly the sample components interact with the stationary phase. A suitable eluent is crucial for achieving effective separation. Examples for the eluent in liquid chromatography is a liquid solvent. In gas chromatography, the eluent is a carrier gas. The next term in chromatography is eluate. The mobile phase leaving the column is eluate. In chromatography, the mobile phase or the solvent that has passed through the chromatographic column and carries the separated analytes out of the column. It is essentially the mixture of solvent and dissolved substances that emerges from the column. The next important term is retention time. The retention time is the time elapsed between sample injection and the detection of a specific compound. It is usually measured in minutes and is taken from the injection point to the peak apex of the analyte on the chromatogram. Retention time is a key parameter for identifying compounds in a sample. The seventh important term in chromatography is a chromatogram. It is a visual representation, typically a graph, that displays the separation of different components within a sample as they pass through a chromatographic system. It's essentially the output of a chromatography experiment showing the detector response against the time or volume. Peaks on the chromatogram respond to the different components of a sample and their positions, and the area can be used to identify and quantify those components. The next term in chromatography is detector. The instrument used for qualitative and quantitative detection of analytes after separation. In this video, we have learnt about 8 important terms in chromatography. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.